very different type. So, dulo siya. Malapit sa stairs for 5.
Yung sinasabi mo na nakaraan. Okay na rin yung ref niya. Siyempre, hindi naman kailangan ng malaki talaga.
Itong condo pala na to is 3 bedroom.
Hi guys, so nandito na naman tayo sa ating first viewing ngayong araw na to. No? Actually, meron kaming tatlong bahay na pupuntahan ngayon.
Pero iba-iba
Iba-iba
yung price ng properties. And today, very different to sa ating mga previous na nabisita dahil itong pupuntahan natin ay condo. Ayan. Dati kasi, or yung mga previous na binivisit natin ay mga townhouse. Ito ay condo or apartment kung tawagin. So, syempre, marami itong kapitbahay, dikit-dikit. Alam mo yung condominium din sa Philippines. So, titingin tayo at least na makita natin or makonsider din natin ano ba yung meron sa condo. Kasi baka po na ang tingin lang natin ay townhouse, mamaya better palang option ay condo naman.
Yeah, para may idea rin tayo guys pagdating sa mga condo. Kasi yun nga, sabi ni Emma, halos kalimitan na nakikita namin is mga townhouse, mga duplex, ganyan. So ngayon naman, try natin mag-tour ng condo.
Nandito nga pala kami ulit sa Auburn Bay.
Actually, katabi lang to nung tinignan namin dito sa Auburn. Ito guys, oh.
Last time.
Yan, nandyan lang siya.
Ang tinignan natin dyan, townhouse din.
Yung nasa,
pero yun yung may property sa baba. Oo, so ang dami mong kapitbahay.
Tapos meron pa sa kaliwa, sa kanan.
Sa baba.
So yun.
Parang condo rin. So, ito yung malapit guys sa ospital. So, walking distance lang.
Dito lang. Wait. Nandyan sa likod lang yan yung hospital.
Yes. So, nag-park muna kami. Yan, kinukuha lang ni Kuya Daniel ang keys for the condo. Ay, nakakatuwa dahil excited ako. Never kami katry ng condo eh. Ngayon, sabi ko, why not? Tingnan natin kasi mas mababa yung cost niya or price niya kumpara sa townhouse. Although, yung condo fee ay mas mahal. So, titingnan natin, ask din natin si Kuya Daniel later on, ano ba yung pros and cons pag condo versus townhouse. Syempre, hindi natin masyadong ma-compare sa detached kasi better naman talaga or best ang detached. Pero price-wise kasi, doon lang pasok yung, kunwari, budget mo sa condo or townhouse. So, let's see. Guys,
Papasok na tayo guys. Dito pala siya. Akala namin dito. So, nandito pala sa kabilang side. So, number 16. Ayan.
very different type.
So, dito tayo. Yan, syempre guys, pag condo, madilim.
Hindi naman. Yung ambience niya siguro talaga.
Tingnan natin.
So, dulo siya. Malapit sa stairs for 5.
Yung sinasabi mo na nakaraan.
Oo, nakita ko sa picture.
Oo.
So, here.
So, ito na siya.
Yeah,
Oh.
it's the same condo.
Oh,
I see.
okay, still not sold.
Okay, so ito na guys, yung condo.
Yes. So, syempre, very different to sa townhouse. Isang floor lang tayo, yung lilibutin.
Ilang
natin.
square feet to?
Square feet ay 859.
859. Ayan.
Right.
So, syempre, pagpasok mo, ito na yung island niya. Okay din yung countertop niya.
Syempre, reasonable amount ng size. And this is the kitchen agad. Pagpasok mo, kitchen agad. They have refrigerator.
Okay na rin yung ref niya. Syempre, hindi naman kailangan ng malaki talaga.
So, this was built 2016.
Okay.
And ito yung
Stove. Okay pa rin naman.
oven.
Pero kasama na to, ano?
Oh, no.
Yan.
Ang included.
Tsaka ito, microwave. Okay din yung cabinet niya. Ang ganda. Ang ganda yung cabinet niya. So, marami hanggang dito.
So, kasi you really have to save space dito pag condo.
Yeah.
Kasi limited lang yung space. And then, ito naman yung
Washer.
dishwasher.
Yeah.
So, maganda
Dishwasher.
rin. Marami rin.
Sa baba ng pinaka-center mo, meron yung mga drawer din dito. Yeah.
Yeah. Beautiful.
Yan.
And then, I think dito sa kanin agad, nandito na agad yung master's bedroom. So, itong condo pala na to is 3 bedroom.
See, yung cellphone ni Zion. Pasukin natin yung master's agad.
Tama ba? Oo. Kasi, although medyo payat, kasi nga condo guys, ito yung, yung view mo yung hospital.
Oh!
Ang ganda, kasi ito yung side mo.
Yeah.
What is the view?
Yeah, is it a nice view?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ganda. Kita mo na rin yung area na to dito.
What?
Yeah. So, yung master's bedroom niya, guys, syempre, condo, tsaka yung base na rin sa ating square feet, no, medyo maliit lang siya, 850. So, hindi siya ganun kalakihan. No?
Pero, okay naman.
Yeah, pero okay siya. Then, dito sa master's bedroom na to is meron ng kasamang walk-in closet ba? Yeah. At saka, washroom na rin.
Yeah. So, ito pang master's talaga.
Yeah.
Ayan, linis, di ba?
Ganda.
Standing shower, hindi siya bathtub. Linis din.
What is the toilet?
So, ito pa meron pa siyang mga cabinet, di ba? So, maganda kasi yung master's bedroom mo, parang, ano pa rin, you have a safe space kasi may closet ka, tapos meron ka ring washroom on your own. Meron ding, I think 2-piece bathroom sa labas for the guests. So, di ba, okay na rin to. Para sa mga, ayan, nagsisimula.
Nagsisimula, yeah.
Natin.
Pwede i-consider itong mga gandong guys, condo.
Yes.
So, medyo mataas yung ceiling niya rin,
Thermostat. So, ganyan. Yun na lang.
So, may control din dish. May control ka dito.
Yeah.
Then, sa labas ulit. Balik tayo dito sa labas.
This is your living
Living,
room.
yeah, this is living area.
Dito muna tayo, baby.
Saan?
Sa second bedroom.
Okay.
Parang office
Single
space
lang.
mo na.
Pwede dito single bed.
I think, kahit double, pwede.
So, bagay,
Pero
meron
type ka na.
ka na rin naman kasing closet dito.
Tapos naka-mirror. Para pam-maximize ng space. So, medyo, syempre, kapag condo, type talaga. Pero at least, 3 bedrooms to, guys.
Yan.
So, ito yung view mo naman dito sa gilid. Taraw mo pa rin yung sa parking area ng emergency room.
Okay. So, second room to, no?
Yeah. Then, siguro,
Fuse. Yung electrical. Yan. Nandyan yung mga control.
and then, ito na yung closet. Oo nga, wala kasi doon.
So, nilagay ng jacket. Yeah.
Here,
Washroom?
ano din, parang,
Ito yung laundry niya. Okay. So, nandito siya. Then, powder room. Yeah. Sakto din.
Ay,
Okay lang.
meron bathtub, baby.
Huh?
3-piece.
Meron
So,
pa.
at least, kasi 3
Oo nga, no? Oo nga, tama.
3 bedroom. At least hindi lang powder
Sorry.
yun nandito, no?
Yeah.
So, malaki na din. Kasi meron ka pa sa masters.
Then, yung pangatlong room.
Ito na yung pangatlo.
Ito, pwede pang office mo lang kasi maganda yung window mo dito, maliwanag. Pwede to.
Hindi ka masasad kasi kita mo yung labas. Meron din pala siyang veranda, baby.
Oo nga, meron.
Lalabas tayo mamaya.
Yeah.
And then, I think baka closet. Mini closet. Kumpara dun sa isang bedroom. Ganito lang yung
Ito na yan, hanggang dito lang siya.
Dito lang.
Yun lang.
Ito lang. Ganito lang siya kaliit. So, hindi ka pwedeng maglagay ng maraming gamit.
Yeah. Pwede dito mga computer lang, ganyan. Kasi
Pwede
kung,
ba yun?
actually pwede rin namang single bed.
Oo.
Pwede naman single bed. Kung may bisita ka, alam mo, ganyan.
At least, diba? Sa mga naghanap ng 3-bedroom. So, nakikita nyo guys, yung paint niya, may natabunan na. Parang kinover up na yung mga previous dirt. So, dapat pag gagawa talaga kayo ng parang open house, tinan mo yung ano ba yung mga tinago.
Yeah.
Para alam mo kung pwede sa inyo or ayaw mo. And then, ito na yung sa exit.
Madumi.
So, nasa ano tayo, 4th floor, pinakataas na floor ng building na to. So, ito guys, yung view mo. Pwede ka dito mag-barbecue.
Yeah.
Ang ganda ng weather ngayon eh.
Ikaw ano, basa yung ano, dulo. Basa.
Nakakalula.
Ayan. So, ito yung magiging view natin dito, guys. Ayun, hospital, oh. Ilang ng kagandahan dito sa area na to, no? Malapit ka sa hospital. If ever magkaroon ng problema, andyan agad yung emergency. Yan.
Ito yung South Health Campus. So, dito pumupunta yung iba talagang kailangan ng urgent care.
Yeah.
And then dito pa, at least hindi limited, meron pa dito, konti. Kung may itatago kang bike, di ba? Like them. So,
that's for your barbecue too.
Yeah,
dito.
it's wet. It's kind of wet there.
Thanks. So with this hospital, you got range view over there, new community, mahogany, seating behind the hospital, and over there is Okotos.
Okotos.
Oh.
It's Seaton over there already na. So, magkapit-bahay lang talaga.
Past that is Okotos. And yeah.
Is this a good location? Just like across the hospital?
It's busy.
It's busy. So, can you really hear the sound of the busy
It
cars?
depends.
Or like that?
Like that.
It's pretty loud.
Right?
So it's up to your comfort.
Oh,
Ito.
okay. Can we hear that too inside?
You can try, close the door.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because
I think you can hear it mumble,
yeah,
but not so
not so much than here.
But it depends where the wind blows.
Yeah.
So the sound travels.
Okay.
Not bad area. This price is a bit high, I think.
Oh, okay. So the price of this
Magkano
is
nga pala ang presyo na to?
359,900. The original price is 369,900. So
Bumaba siya.
bumaba na siya. There's a price reduction of $10,000 already. How many days
How
in
much
the
is the
market?
condo fee? How much is the
Yeah, for the condo fee.
Yeah, for the condo fee, it's kinda high 525.68 monthly. Kuya Daniel, is that reasonable or kinda high?
I think it's high, to be honest with you,
Yeah,
because it's a pretty brand new building,
yeah,
and there's also a lot of people here. It should be a little less.
right. So the inclusions of condo fee are just
Kasama na ba heater dyan?
common area maintenance. Like, nasa na ba? I can't see.
How about the heater?
Right there. Condo, no, common area. Where's the common area? Where is it? HOA right there.
HOA, it's different, or, okay, HOA.
That's how they, I don't know.
Oh,
how
they
put it
termed
there.
it. Okay. Common area maintenance hits. So there's already hit in
Mhm.
this $525 monthly. And then lake access, professional management, sewer, landscape, snow removal, and then water. So heat
Okay.
and water are included. You'll just pay for electricity. But yeah, as mentioned, it's kind of high for a new property.
But if you look at the bedrooms, the two extra one,
Yeah.
you call them a bedroom?
No, it's like an office.
Yes.
It's like an office room or a den.
Yeah.
Yeah. So just to say that this is a 3-bedroom. But yeah, this is the first time that we like tried to look at a condominium. So we're looking at the difference because yeah, people say that you can also start as a family who wants to start with a property with a condominium.
There's nothing wrong with condominiums,
Yeah.
to be honest with you. I
Yeah.
have a lot of people there who start in condominium
Yeah,
and they
definitely.
move on to townhomes.
Right.
And then when you're retired, you go back to condominium.
Yeah, just we can like still look around if there are other condominiums around because yeah, as what we have mentioned, this is kind of high condo fee.
Yeah, the price is high.
What's like reasonable for this type of building?
It depends. If you look outside, how many people for sale?
Yeah, there's a lot.
At I think 4.
Yan, yun nga pala, itong building na to, hindi lang ito yung for sale, there's 4 more. And then, it makes us like think why people are selling their properties here. Do you know?
Maybe they're gonna increase the condo fee. Maybe it's a special assessment.
Okay.
A special assessment that the engineer will look at all the property. If you want to fix something, maybe there's not enough reserve funds.
Okay.
To who knows, right? That's why condo doctrine is important.
Yeah, it's very important because we don't know why people are leaving this building. Yeah, because come to think of it, 4 are for sale. Yeah. Even, yeah, I don't know.
And I think they're banking on because it's close to the hospital.
Yeah.
That's why. So it's more like a rental property.
Okay, people come and go. Yeah, because maybe some nurses are here and then they want to upgrade.
Students too.
Yeah, students.
Doctors
right?
who are interns.
Right?
Stay here and go.
It's really like quick, accessible. You'll just go across the street and then the hospital is already there.
I seen a bigger condo apartment bigger than this for less than that price.
Oh,
to be honest with you.
Is it where in what location?
So usually Bridalwood
Bridalwood.
have it.
Okay.
That area, my area too.
So Auburn is like a somehow more expensive
I think
area.
it's pretty much the same. It's just you're just too close to the hospital. That's
Okay.
why it's more expensive.
Okay,
That's why they're banking on it. 100%.
Yan, so palabas na tayo guys, no? So yun, medyo sabi nga ni Daniel, medyo mataas yung price na yun. So at least nakita namin kung ano yung meron sa ganitong klaseng condo, no? And isa pa, napakataas din ng condo fee.
Aside, so there's no
Yan, so
number.
puntahan lang natin yung parking stall.
Parking stall number 4.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So check natin yung parking. Ito, ayan, come on.
Ooh, parking.
Parking. Go. So number 4. Ito siguro.
Oh, yun na.
Oh.
So, underground parking there. Pero aside, and it's not yours.
No.
You cannot rent it out if you're
No,
not
you
using it?
You can't. The condo board is lended to you.
Yeah.
Oh.
So that's the difference. Pero
So,
may
hindi
mga ibang condo guys na ano,
Sa'yo na talaga.
sa'yo talaga. Tapos dalawa
Oh.
pa yung aside. Parang kila ate, shout out, ate.
Okay. So ito guys, ito yun.
I'll show you the garbage area.
So garbage area naman.
Yan, ipapakita sa atin ni Daniel yung garbage area.
At least, although maganda rin naman na pag may snow, secured yung car mo.
Oo.
This one smells more than Shepherd's landfill.
Oh,
Okay.
yeah.
So dito mo itatapon yung mga basura mo.
So, and
Ayan.
included na siya sa condo fee mo na 525. Siyempre napakamahal. So meron na
Okay, so
nagme-maintain. Sila na yung bahala sa disposal.
So yun yung sa mga, yun din ang ano sa pag naka-condo ka, no? Kailangan syempre bababa ka, tatapon mo yung basura mo. Paano kung marami kang basura? Pabalik-balik ka. Yeah. So yun yung ano guys pag naka-condo tayo. Okay.
So guys, alam nyo na ang difference ng sa townhouse, sa condo, and then yung mga detached. It won't open. Maybe magic word.
Di na dadaan. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, dito na pala kami dadaan. Nice. Yo. So pinakita lang sa atin ni Daniel yung ano no, sa garbage tsaka yung parking slot. Yun. So doon tayo nakapark. So dito tayo pumasok kanina. Yan. So ang bahay is dun, di ba? Yun o, yung doon kabilang side. Yan.
Corner ba?
Ano masasabi mo?
Okay, pero not for the price siguro. We
Sabi nga
can
ni Daniel na
see
medyo...
cheaper ones. Pero okay siya for starters.
Yeah, pwede.
Siguro kapag bumaba pa to, nagkaroon pa ng another price reduction, you can consider. Although, yun nga, condo fee.
Tsaka siguro pwede siya sa mga nurse nga.
Nurse,
Kasi
doctors, interns.
katapat mo, hospital na agad.
Although magpa-price reduction ka sa price ng condo, yung condo fee guys, hindi umaatras.
Oo.
There's no price reduction for condo fee. So,
yeah, I think wala. Puro pataas.
para ka na rin parang may mortgage ka, another mortgage pa, 500.
Ang laki nun, ha?
Mahal yun. Eh, although yun nga, electricity na lang babayaran mo, mahal pa rin.
Yeah. Alright.
Alright, let's go.
So, yun guys, no, papunta namin sa pangalawang house. So, siguro dito na namin muna tatapos itong first vlog natin ngayong araw na to. And yeah, so I hope na nag-enjoy kayo guys. And see you on the next one. Peace.